Hi, and welcome to my channel, Yours Mentor. Test your English vocabulary. Here are 20 words that every intermediate or advanced learner should know. See how many you recognize. Word 1, abundant. Meaning, plentiful or more than enough. Example, the garden was abundant with flowers. Word 2, ambiguous. Meaning, having more than one meaning, unclear. Example, her answer was ambiguous, so I didn't understand. Word 3, benevolent. Meaning, kind and generous. Example, she is a benevolent teacher who helps all students. Word 4, candid. Meaning, truthful and straightforward. Example, he gave a candid opinion about the movie. Word 5, diligent. Meaning, hardworking and careful. Example, she is a diligent student who studies every day. Word 6, eloquent. Meaning, fluent and persuasive in speaking. Example, the speaker was eloquent and inspired the audience. Word 7, frugal. Meaning, careful with money. Example, he is frugal and saves most of his salary. Word 8, impeccable. Meaning, perfect, without mistakes. Example, her presentation was impeccable. Word 9, inquisitive. Meaning, curious or eager to learn. Example, the child was inquisitive and asked many questions. Word 10, meticulous. Meaning, very careful and precise. Example, he is meticulous when preparing reports. Word 11, notorious. Meaning, famous for something bad. Example, the city is notorious for its traffic jams. Word 12, pragmatic. Meaning, practical and realistic. Example, she took a pragmatic approach to solving the problem. Word 13, resilient. Meaning, able to recover quickly. Example, children are often resilient in difficult situations. Word 14, subtle. Meaning, delicate or not obvious. Example, he made a subtle change to improve the design. Word 15, tedious. Meaning, boring and repetitive. Example, filing papers can be tedious. Word 16, tenacious. Meaning, determined, persistent. Example, she is tenacious in pursuing her goals. Word 17, ubiquitous. Meaning, present everywhere. Example, smartphones are ubiquitous these days. Word 18, versatile. Meaning, able to do many things. Example, this tool is versatile and useful in many situations. Word 19, whimsical. Meaning, playful or fanciful. Example, the story had a whimsical tone. Word 20, zealous. Meaning, very enthusiastic or passionate. Example, he is zealous about environmental protection. Conclusion. How many of these words did you know? Challenge yourself to learn the ones you didn't, and your English vocabulary will grow fast. That's the end of the video. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.